Hello students, welcome back to this lecture series of MSc Part 1 Physics, Mathematical Methods in Physics. In the last module we discussed about the complex analysis. In this lecture we are going to study the new module, that is Special Functions, module number 3. Okay. So in the special functions we are going to discuss Bessel equations. Okay. So that is Bessel functions. So these Bessel functions we can find by solve the Bessel differential equations, and these Bessel differential equations we can find by solve the Laplace equations by using the separation variable methods. And these Bessel differential equations that involve in the oscillatory motions and the fluid motions and the planetary motions. Okay, so Bessel equations, that is x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus x square minus n square 2y is equal to 0. This is Bessel equations. Okay, and if we solve this solution of these equations, then this solution of this equation is called the Bessel functions. Okay, so today we are going to try to solve the find the solution of this Bessel equations, and then we can discuss this Bessel functions. Okay. X square is square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus x square minus n square into y is equal to 0. This is Bessel differential equations. Okay. So here we are going to assume the one solutions series solutions of this Bessel differential equation, that is y is equal to, okay, let assume y is equal to summations r is equal to 0 to infinity ar. This a are the one arbitrary constants, and multiply with the x power m plus r. Okay, so here this r is a variable things, so also we can write in the series, that is a naught x power m plus a1 x power m plus 1 plus a2 x power m plus 2 plus a3 x power m plus 3 and so on. Okay, this is the series solution of this Bessel differential equations. So this is y, this dy by dx we can write like this, dy by dx is equal to y primes, and this if I take the differentiate of this y with respect to the x, so it is summations r is equal to 0 to infinity ar m plus r into x power m plus r minus 1. Okay, and this d square y by dx square we can write d square y by dx square is equal to y double prime, and this is r is equal to 0 to infinity ar. Again differentiate this y prime with respect to x, so it is m plus r minus 1 into m plus r into x power m plus r minus 2. Okay, so this is y prime and y double prime. If I put in these equations, so we can find one relations, that is x square into summations ar m plus r minus 1 into m plus r into x power m plus r minus 2. Okay, this is this expression, this bracket I write for this y double primes. Okay, and for the next terms, that is plus, and right here into x for these things, and dy by dx, so it is y prime. So it is into summations ar m plus r x power m plus r minus 1 plus, now for these terms, if I multiply here x square into y, okay, so the plus x square into y, so y expressions for the y I am right, x square summations ar x power m plus r, and last term, that is minus n square into y, so it is minus n square summations ar x power m plus r is equal to 0. Okay, so this is after just substituting this value y prime and y double primes, we have these expressions. Okay, now just multiply this x power of the x, that is x, and here is also x, so if I multiply to this bracket, so we get like this, summations ar m plus m plus r minus 1 into m plus r, if I multiply, so x power m plus r minus 2 plus 2, okay, for this x power 2, and here power is 1. So for these terms, if I write plus summations ar m plus r into x power m plus r minus 1 plus 1, okay, for this one, and here is a minus 1 plus 1, and for this it is plus x square summations ar x power m plus r plus 2. Okay, sorry, so summations ar x power m plus r plus 2, here is x power 2, so it add into this power of the x, and the last term, that is minus n square summations ar x power m plus r is equal to 0. Okay, so these things we can cancel, minus 2 plus 2, and this is m plus r, and here also m plus r, and this also m plus r. So three terms, that is power of the x m plus r, x m plus r, and x m plus r. So you can take out the commons, that is x m plus r, and the summations ar coefficients. Okay, so summations ar into m plus r minus 1 into m plus r plus, this is for this summations, and for the second summations, that is m plus r, I am right here, and the last summation, that is minus n square into x power m plus r plus, okay, so here power of the x, that is x power m plus r plus 2, so that is summations ar x power m plus r plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is, we have the now expression for the differential Bessel differential equations. Okay, so I am going to just simplify this bracket, that is first summations, it's m plus m square plus mr minus m plus mr plus r square minus r plus m plus r. So these things will be cancelled, m and m. So here we have the m square plus 2mr plus r squares, and this we can write m plus r bracket square. Okay, so just I replace these things with the m plus r bracket square. Okay, so summations ar m plus r bracket square minus n square into x power m plus r plus summations a r x m plus r plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is expression for the Bessel differential equations. Okay, after reducing this first summations into the m plus r. Okay, now we try to find the indicial equations, and from the indicial equations we can find the value for the m. Okay, and then we try to find the recursion relations. Okay, so first if I put the r is equal to 0, for first we try to find the lowest power of the x. Okay, so if I put r is equal to 0, so for the first summation, so power of the x, that is m, and here if I put r is equal to 0, so x power m plus 2. Okay, so this is the lowest degree term of x power m. Okay, so we equate this coefficient of this x is equal to 0 after putting the r is equal to 0. Okay, so summations a, for the first summations, if I put r is equal to 0, so it is a naught into m plus 0 bracket square minus n square, and here x power m plus r. This is the lowest degree terms. Okay, so these coefficients we equate, it is equal to 0, and here a naught is equal to 0. Okay, so for this, that is m square minus n square, and from this we can find m is equal to plus minus n. Okay, so this is called the indicial equations. Okay, this equation is called the indicial equations. So here we have the now n value for the a naught, that is naught is equal to 0, and m plus minus n. Okay, so I'm right here, m is equal to plus minus n, and a naught is equal to 0. Okay. Summations a r m plus r Now if I try to find the next lowest degree terms of this x power m plus 1, so after just considering r is equal to 1, and we can find a1 for this first summations, a1 coefficients of this next lowest degree terms, that is a1 into m plus 1 bracket square minus n square is equal to 0. Okay, so that is also we equate to 0 next lowest degree term. So here r is equal to 1, so this a1 is equal to 0, and m plus 1 bracket square minus n square is not is equal to 0. Okay, so here a1 is equal to 0. Okay, for the next lowest degree, this is the first lowest degree terms for this a nodes, and this is the next. Okay, so like this, if I put for the first summations to find the recursion relations, see if I put for the first summations, this is the first summations and this is second summations. Okay, so here r is equal to r plus 2. Okay, for this case, and sorry, for this summations, and here I am just substitute r is equal to r. okay, for the second summation. So we can find the regression relation, that is summations AR plus 2 into m plus r plus 2 bracket square minus n square x power m plus r plus 2 plus summations AR. Now this second summations we consider r is equal to r, so it is AR as it is. Okay, this summation is as it is, m plus r plus 2. Okay, so if you observe the power of this x, the same for the both summations. Okay, so from this we can write, this is called the regression relation. So from this we can write AR plus 2 is equal to minus AR divided by m plus r plus 2 bracket square minus n square. Okay, so from this we can find coefficients of this a node, a1, a3 like this. Okay, so if I put the r is equal to 0, so we can find the a2. If I put the r is equal to 1, so we can find the a3, a4, a5 like that. Okay, so just this is relations that gives the coefficients of higher than the a node, a1, a3 like that. Okay, so I am consider now r is equal to 0. So from this a2, if I put the r is equal to 0, so it is a2 is equal to minus a node divided by m plus 2 bracket square minus n square. Okay, and if I put the r is equal to 1, okay, so then this r a is equal to 3, a3. Okay, that is r1 plus 2, it is a 3, so it is a3 minus a1 divided by m plus 3 bracket square minus n square. Now this a1 is already here, we find that is a1 is equal to 0, so this a3 is also it is equal to 0. Now r is equal to 2 if I consider, so a4 and minus a2 divided by m plus 4 bracket square minus n square. So but here we already have the relations for the a2, that is minus a naught divided by m plus 2 bracket square minus n square. So I am just replace these things, a2, so it is minus will be plus, and it is a naught divided by m plus 2 bracket square minus n square into m plus 4 bracket square minus n square. Okay, so this is a naught, a1, a2, a3, a4. If I try to find the a5, that is a5, so it is r is equal to 3 minus a3 and divided by m plus 5 bracket square minus n square. But here a3 is already it is equal to 0. Okay, so this a5 is also 0. So we can write a1, a2, sorry, a3, a5, a7, this are all odd arbitrary constants, that is equal to 0. Okay, so if I now write the solutions of this differential equations, that is y is equal to, we know the solutions of Bessel equation, that is y is equal to summations r is equal to 0 to infinity a r x power m plus r. Okay, so this we can write a naught x power m plus a1 x power m plus 1 plus a2 x power m plus 2 plus a3 x power m plus 3 and plus a4 x power m plus 4 and so on. Okay. So now just put the value for the a naught. So a naught x power m. Now next a1 x power m, this is equal to 0. This a1 we consider 0, so this will be 0, and a2, that is these things, a2 is equal to minus a naught x power m plus 2 divided by m plus 2 bracket square minus n square. Okay. And this a3 also we consider 0, so this thing is also 0. Now a4, so that is plus a naught x power m plus 4 divided by m plus 2 bracket square minus n square into m plus 4 bracket square, sorry, here is m plus 2 bracket square minus n square, and here m plus 4 bracket square minus n square, and next one is minus and so on. Okay. Next term is a6. Okay, we can write for the a6. a5 is also 0. Okay, so this is series solution of this Bessel differential equations. Okay, so if I take out the commons, first I try to simplify this denominators, that is write m plus 2 bracket square minus n square. So if I expand this, so it is m square, sorry, later we discuss these things. Okay. First I take out the common, that is a naught x power m 1 minus x square divided by m plus 2 bracket square minus n square plus x power 4 divided by m plus 2 bracket square minus n square into m plus 4 bracket square minus n square. Okay, and so on. Okay, this is if we take out the commons. Now if I solve, now we are having the value for the m is equal to plus minus n. If I put this value into this, now for m is equal to n, okay, that we already find from the initial equations. So it is, if I put m is equal to n, so y is equal to a naught x power n into 1 minus x power 2 divided by n plus 2 bracket square to n square, and the plus x power 4 divided by n plus 2 bracket square minus n square into n plus 4 bracket square minus n square. Okay, so just replace the m with the n. Now I am going to just simplify this thing first, that is n plus 2 bracket square minus n square. You can write n square plus 4n plus n, sorry, plus 4 minus n square. Okay, this is also 4. So this will be cancel, and this 4n plus 1. Okay, same for these things, that is n plus 4 minus n plus 4 bracket square minus n square, it is equal to n square plus 4 into 8n plus 16 minus n square. So this will be cancel, and 8 n plus 2. Okay. So just replace these things with the n plus 2 square minus n square with the 4 into n plus 4, and the n plus 4 bracket square minus n square with the 8 into n plus 2. Okay, so I'm going to replace that. N plus 1, here 4 into n plus 1 into 8 into n plus 2 and so on. Okay, so this is if I write for the m is equal to minus n, so minus n, so just replace this n with the minus n. Okay, and we can find the value for the m is equal to minus n. So this is a series, and this series is called a solution is called the Bessel functions for the Bessel equations, and denoted by the Jnx. Okay, this is the Bessel functions, and this is complete solution of this Bessel equations, that is y is equal to Jnx. Okay, here is a something is a constant, a Jnx plus b j minus nx. Okay, this is a complete solution of this Bessel differential equation. So if I write general expressions for the y, that is Jnx is equal to a naught x power n summations r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power r into x power 2r divided by 2 into 2 power 2r into r factorial n plus 1 n plus 2 and n plus r. Okay, this is the general expression for the this y. Okay, and this expression is called the Bessel functions. Okay, okay, so another things we discuss in the next lecture. Okay, let's stop here.